This RE/MAX signature property video is presented by Diane Stanley, Associate Broker, CRS, GRI, ABR, SFR. Looking for maintenance-free living in a great location? This first floor condo has it, plus so much charm, and is move-in ready. Note the unique stained glass pane as you enter the foyer area. With an open concept and hardwood floors throughout, the spacious family room allows for plenty of light, with plantation shutters on the windows. In the kitchen find granite countertops, a tile backsplash, gas cooking, and stainless appliances, which all convey. A separate dining area adjoins the kitchen. A beautiful stained glass sliding barn door gives privacy to the master bedroom/bath area. The master bedroom has a ceiling fan. The updated bathroom has a huge tiled shower and there is stack washer/dryer in hall. There is designated parking behind the building and shared storage space in the basement. Located close to CaryTown, and the Libbie/Grove area, you can walk to restaurants, bars and shopping. Nearby interstate access will get you downtown quickly. Plan a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Stanley, Associate Broker, CRS, GRI, ABR, SFR at 804-513-2832.